Howdy, James here from Kickstarter, and I'm back with another review. In front of me I have this weekend's Jordan release. This is the Jordan 4 Denim. It was a women's release but did come in extended sizes. As you know, if you've watched my channel over the last kind of years, I do love my denim, so this was kind of a given. But before I open the box and take a look at the shoes, if you could please hit that subscribe button, I really would appreciate it, and then you can follow along and check out all my other videos. Alright, so the Jordan 4, great silhouette. Kind of, obviously we've seen a couple of different Jordan 4s come out over the last few months now. Obviously a couple of weekends ago we got the rare Air 4s, which was a great shoe, and then also, as we know, we had the Levi's collab. So Nike and Jordan have definitely kind of followed on with that Levi's feel, so I think from that standpoint, releasing these Jordan 4s denim kind of a couple of weeks after that Levi's release was very smart of them. Also, Jordan have obviously done a couple of denim releases over kind of the years. We had the Jordan 1s, both the women's release from maybe 3-4 years ago, and then also I think from 2 years ago was kind of the men's denim release. Then obviously the Levi's Jordan 4, which kind of was an incredible pack, the 3 colorways and so forth, and we've seen it on a Jordan 6, and I think we've seen it on another Jordan 4, there was another kind of variation and so forth. So let me get the shoes out of the box, we'll take a look at it and we'll see what we think. Okay, so firstly, the box itself, excuse the fact that it's ripped, I'm not too sure why. I was able to pick up mine from Soulfly, so shout out to Soulfly for the assist. But for some reason, every box was ripped on the sides, and I have noticed from some photos online of people who got them, their boxes were also ripped in the same way. So kind of strange. I don't think it's intentional, as it's ripped, it's not there, but yeah, so try not to mind that too much. Okay, so back to the shoe. So here it is, Jordan 4. Obviously we recognize the silhouette pretty well, and as it's denim, the whole shoe is denim, both kind of the upper part and then kind of the midsection. Obviously the only part that isn't denim is going to be your midsole, which comes in a clean white with then kind of gum-ish soles on the toe, and then on the heel, which is obviously a nice touch. So the denim itself comes in 2 colors, 2 variations. You get kind of like the light wash that kind of covers the top of the shoe, and then like a more medium wash that kind of covers the lower part of the shoe. As you kind of come around to the inside of the shoe, you kind of see like a switch towards the back, where then that lighter wash is going to fade into the back, and then if you look at the very back where you see the Jumpman logo on the heel tab, you get that kind of distinction between the two where it kind of meets. So outside paneling, medium wash; inside paneling you're going to see more of that light wash, and that goes for both shoes. So both shoes have like the outside with that medium wash, and then the lighter wash is kind of on the middle. So if I kind of turned it this way, you'll kind of see on the heel tab, if I can position it, you'll see that it kind of, the change there in the middle. So comes with this like kind of gold, what do you call it, aglet on the lace lock type thing, derby or whatever you want to call it, on the front that just says Jordan. I know a lot of the women's releases have those things on, which kind of sets them apart, but more than likely we'll be taking that off while I rock them. So with one of the Jordan 1 releases that came out, the men's pair, I did bleach them, debating on doing that with this pair too, just fully bleaching them so they're white and then possibly trying to dye them, I don't know, but I do think that they do look good as they are. Like I said, I do love my denim. I know some people just didn't like these at all. Double denim and triple denim and single denim for a lot of people gives off kind of interesting points of view. But it comes with just plain white laces. There are no additional extra laces in the shoe, so you're going to stick with the white. I don't think really any other color would really go with it. I mean, you could put like a red lace in it if you wanted to and kind of follow that Levi's vibe, but I would myself not doing that. So yeah, but overall, let me know what you think. Let me know if you picked up a pair. What do you think of the actual kind of feel of the denim and that kind of two-tone light wash, dark wash feel? But until then, if you could please, again, hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. Like, share, do whatever you can. I want to say thank you to everybody who kind of watches my channel, up to kind of 900 and I want to say 12, 13 subscribers right now. Really trying to push myself to that 1,000 mark. So if you could watch this and suggest it or refer it to a friend, I don't know, I would appreciate that too. So, but again, I'm sure I'll be back with another review soon. So take care.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up, so